Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well this holiday season. A couple updates are that I am still working on the harmony banjo project. I needed to order the little railroad spikes to put in the fifth string. And so I'm waiting on those. I got the little bits for my Dremel. It's a 1/32 drill bit, and then I got the collets to put the drill bit in for the Dremel. And then the other exciting thing is I got a new to me used banjo coming, and so that will be super exciting, so I can't wait to share that. That one also doesn't have the spikes in yet, so we'll see how courageous I end up being after doing the harmony one. This song is called Sally Ann Johnson. I learned it from Adam Hurt, his Patreon, which is a fantastic deal if you haven't checked that out yet. So this is Sally Ann Johnson. Still a little bit of work in progress, so we'll see how I do. I know I'm not completely perfect in some of these spots, so I'm still working on it, but wanted to post and say happy holidays.